Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. So the topic for today's discussion is interview question: how do you like to be managed? Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes while appearing in an interview, the HR asks you this very different kind of question, and that is, how do you like to be managed? How do you like to be managed? The HR is straight away asking the candidate that what type of manager he likes. As far as managing his activities are concerned, what are his own personal opinion regarding this? In response to this question, you must say that, sir, I always obey my managers, I always follow my managers, but I want managers to give me instruction regarding the task initially, and after that I promise you that I will perform my best. I will work hard and I will work appropriately in such a manner that you don't need to point me or interrupt me again and again and say that you are doing this particular thing wrong or you are doing that particular thing wrong, you are not following the right procedure. I am not a person like that. The kind of management that I want is, honorable managers, if they explain the criteria of the task properly initially, I will understand everything, and when I start working, I promise you that you won't need to guide me again and again. You won't need to guide me consistently till the task is over. I will take charge of the task myself, and I will do everything to ensure that the task is done properly. Ladies and gentlemen, managers ask this question just to check that what are your own core competencies. It means that if you are not perfect in a particular kind of task, definitely some senior will be required to guide you at every single step of the task. If you are not fully aware of the task, a senior is definitely required. A more knowledgeable person is definitely required so that he can guide you at every single step that what you have to do and how appropriately you have to proceed. But on the other hand, if you are confident about your abilities, if you are confident about your knowledge, if you are confident that yes, I know, that yes, I know everything about the task that has been assigned to me, I don't need any consistent management. I only want my senior to guide me once, and then I will take charge of the task and I will complete it perfectly. I know that I am having that knowledge, I am having that experience. I am well aware of tools and technologies that are used in this particular task that has been assigned to me. And I am highly confident about my own critical abilities. I don't need consistent guidance, and believe me, ladies and gentlemen, the person who doesn't require any consistent guidance, that is known as the best professional in the world. You explain initial procedures to that person, and after that he takes charge and he accomplishes everything perfectly. That's why whenever a question like this is asked to you during any kind of interview, that how can we manage you, you need to say that, sir or ma'am, please explain me initially what are your requirements. Please explain me initially how the task needs to be done and what kind of results you desire out of this task. And believe me, I will try my best to give you the desired results. I will try my best to provide desired results to my organization. And I will never let you down. That is the most appropriate criteria of answering this question. If you answer like this, HRs will be happy. They will come to know that yes, you are a confident person and you are willing to take initiative. The person who is willing to take initiative, that professional is always loved by everyone in corporate world, ladies and gentlemen. Always remember that. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification of all my latest videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.